Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee. As you all know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World, friends. Okay. In our last topic, I have covered the topic called What is a Good Deed, right? So, in our today's topic, I'm going to cover the topic called Revenge. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So, what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video. So, you can understand in a proper way, friends. Okay, and do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you'll get the notification. Okay, and friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video so you can understand, right? So as this is 66 number video, many a times it happens, you come with the 1 2 3, then you come to the 8th video, you do not understand, so there is a link. So if you come 1 2 3 in this, then you'll understand in a better way. So friends, I will start. Okay, the date is 13/6/1981, 13th June 1981, and the name of the topic is revenge, and this is 66th number video. Okay, revenge is a very bad thing. Earth people do not know what revenge actually means. Revenge come to a person's mind if he or she is jealous of another. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagri that in earth we always often heard this word called revenge. We always say, I will take revenge from you, I will not leave you. But Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagri, the souls who are living in earth, they do not know the real meaning of revenge. Revenge comes from jealousy, and revenge is very dangerous. And even we should not think of revenge any time in this our earth journey. For example, say Peter is jealous of Catty as she is a popular, nice, sweet person. So Peter wants to run her down. So he starts spreading rumors about Catty or even try to harm her by turning her loved ones against her or harassing and harming her in another ways. So here Vipsi and Ratu is trying to make us understand by an example. This is the example of Peter and Catty. So Catty is a girl and Peter is a boy. And so now here Peter wants to take revenge from Catty. So what Peter does is that Peter is jealous about Catty, and Peter always spread wrong rumors about Catty. See, Catty is like this, Catty is like that, Catty is not a good girl. Catty always runs behind money. So Peter always try to spread misconcept about Catty. So this is one kind of example which uh, Vipsi and Ratu is trying to give us to example the example what is revenge. This is entirely wrong. The act will bring Peter to a very low. Now suppose Catty saw how wrong Peter behaved and how he has harmed her. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagri that this revenge thing is very wrong and which bring us spiritually to a very low level. And now if Catty comes to know how Peter have harmed Catty, so it is not even good for Peter. Seeing how wrongly Peter behaved in her defense, if Catty tries to show Peter true colors to the world, then that is not wrong. Catty should show the world how bad Peter is so that other people will not be fooled by him, will be alert won't be won't be victim of Peter's revenge. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshit Bhavnagri that now Peter have did this much wrong things to Catty. Now if Catty decides that I will show to the world how a wrong person Peter is, and if Catty starts saying all the truth about Peter to the world so that now Peter doesn't cheat any other person, so that is not revenge. So this Vipsi and Ratu is trying to make us understand via Khurshid Bhavnagri, showing the world the fact about Peter's meanness will bring Catty to a higher level. Yeah, here there is an interesting point. Now, if Catty is showing the bad quality of Peter, now this thing will bring Catty to upper level because due to this many souls will be updated that this Peter soul is not good. He is trying to harm other people and they can save themselves from Peter. This is because of Catty. So Catty is going to come to a upper level, okay? But her heart must be good and her intention pure. This is not considered revenge. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling now the Catty's heart should be good, right? And her heart should be pure. And this is not considered to be a revenge, right? So this is the real thing which Catty is serving to the whole to other soul, right? So this is not considered to be a revenge, as many would call it, as your motive is to save others from suffering what you suffered. No one else will become Peter's victim, and that is good deed. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us this is a good deed, because Catty is doing this to save other souls, so that other souls should not suffer in a way how Catty suffered. Many people may call that this is a revenge, right? Now Catty is taking revenge from Peter, but this is not the revenge. This is so actually Vipsi and Ratu wants that we should understand what is the difference between revenge and what is the difference between good deed, right? Please do not expose evil at the expense of harming your loved ones or yourself. So you see, people on earth often do not understand the difference between good and bad. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us, in the earth people do not understand the meaning of what is good and what is bad. So they just try to do all the bad things just to take the revenge. But we should not think of taking revenge with anybody at any point of time. Yes, if the person is wrong in front of us, we should expose that person in front of the society, so that that soul doesn't try to harm other souls. But it should not be, it should be a pure intention. Our intention should be pure, okay? So friends, this topic revenge came to an end. So in next topic I'm going to cover, in next video I'm going to cover the topic called Suresh story, okay? So as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making this book in each and every topic, so that you people can understand in a very better way. And friends, I always say, if you have any doubt, you can directly comment me in the comment section. So I will see each and every comment and I will give you answer to each and every comment, okay? And friends, you can directly connect with me on Instagram, right? My Instagram ID is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906, okay? So I will spell it for you: ABHIMANYU BHATTTACHARJEE 1906. And my email ID is also same, abhimanyubhattacharjee1906 @gmail.com. So if you have any doubt, anything, any concern, you can directly contact me in Instagram, where I am always active, friends, okay? So and do subscribe my channel, like this video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends, okay? So this brings to end of this video. We will I will meet you with you in the next video, okay? And I always say I recommend this book to read to everybody, because this book gives you to see your life by 360-degree dimensions, right? So you learn many things by reading this book, and you get many things. You understand what is the meaning, what is the difference between good, bad, evil, positive, negative. So and this book have given me a new way to see my life in a new way, in a full 360-degree dimension. So I always recommend you, friends, to read this book. So this brings end to this video. So I will be meeting you, friends, in the next video. So till then, stay well, stay happy, stay nice, stay blessed, and one day definitely we will meet in the spirit world, and you will definitely say that yes, I used to see your video, and by seeing the videos today we all are in the spirit world, right? So friends, I hope you all are reading this book, and okay, friends, bye. So I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends, okay?